Both of my parents are from Mexico. They are both from the state of Chihuahua. My mother was born in a little bitty mining town called Parral, Chihuahua, and my father was born and raised in a small town called Ojinaga, Chihuahua, which is a border town to Texas. Mostly they were painters, and by that I mean they painted homes, walls, ceilings. Eventually they became very good at it, and I say they because it was my mom and my father doing this together. We didn't really have money, right? And there were things that probably weren't accessible to us, and I knew that. So I didn't know I was poor. I just knew that I had a really big family. There was always really good food on the table. But I do remember that there were lots of times when we had to figure out how we were going to pay the next bill or the rent. I also remember there were times where it's like, why don't we eat meat? Or do we always eat rice and beans or potato tacos, right? So that's the first thing my mom would do when we had money. She'd buy a bag of rice, a bag of potatoes, lots of eggs, and lots of beans. And the flour, of course, she'd use to make tortillas, so we always had really good food. But it was a good childhood. Like I said, we were really close. There was lots of love in my life. Education was really important. My parents always pushed us to learn, to go to school, and always told us that we could do whatever we wanted to do, that there were no limitations as to who we could be or what we could accomplish.